Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna be trying to make cloves water for my hair. It's gonna be my first time trying this, so I thought I should share it with you all. So cloves are actually spices that are used in preparing different kinds of meals and also in drinks like hot beverages and tea, and of course in baking, cakes, cookies and different other things. But I'm gonna be trying it for my hair. So what I did was I poured half a glass of water to the pot, and I brought it to a boil on high heat, and then I added a handful of cloves to the water and boiled it for about 10 minutes. And after boiling it, I set it aside to cool down. And when it cooled down, yeah, this is how it looked. And so what I did was just to transfer it into a bowl. I just used a strainer to strain the water into a bowl, and after that I also transferred it immediately to a glass jar. I mean, I did this, I put it in a glass jar because I knew I wasn't going to use it at once, so I wanted to be able to store the remaining one in the refrigerator. And so yeah, this is me trying to apply this water on my hair. I had washed my hair the previous day, so my hair is pretty clean. And yeah, this is the quantity I made. I mean, it's not that much. Like I said, it's my first time, so I didn't want to make so much. I just wanted to make what I would use like a couple of times, and so that's why I made that quantity. So I just went ahead and poured it inside my spray bottle and spread it all over my hair. Yeah, and yeah, after spraying it all over my hair, I just gave it a thorough massage, which is actually very important, guys. It's quite important that you massage your hair whenever you are applying any form of treatment, or even if it's ordinary water you spray on your hair. I think it's actually like very important that you give it a proper massage. So yeah, that's exactly what I did here. Yeah, so I just went on to spray. I had to spray as much as I could to my hair. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, after spraying it, I wasn't like very satisfied, so I also had to unravel the braids that I had so that I can get it really penetrated into my hair. I really wanted to make sure that the cloves water penetrates properly into my hair. So yeah, that's why I had to unravel my hair and spread it all over my hair again and gave it a proper massage, proper massage, because I wanted to make sure that I get the full benefits of this spray water in my hair. And by the way, spray water has a lot of benefits to hair. Okay, it strengthens the hair. For example, if you're struggling, if you're battling with weak hair, your hair breaks like very easily, you should give this a try because it helps to strengthen the hair, and also it helps to fight against dandruff, to get rid of dandruff. If you're also struggling with dandruff, you should give this a try. It's gonna help you. And of course, it boosts hair growth, it gives volume to hair. So if you have like very light hair or scanty hair or stuff like that, and you want to have like a fuller hair, much more hair on your head, you should also give this a try because it's gonna help increase the volume of your hair. Yeah, it's gonna give more volume to your hair. Yeah, so I did the same thing to all of the braids that I had. By the way, guys, I like to put my hair in braids when I wash it because I want to retain length. Okay, if you put your hair in braids after washing, you're gonna retain length. Yeah, that's just the reason why I do this. So yeah, I unraveled all of the braids that I had, and I did the same thing, sprayed the cloves water all over the unraveled hair and massage it properly and put it in twist. Yeah, so yeah guys, Also, cloves are also like, they are really medicinal, you know, they are very medicinal because they're also used in curing toothache, right? They are used in curing toothache. So if you have a problem with your tooth, you are having toothache, you can just get one whole piece of clove and apply directly on the spot on the tooth that's, you know, on the affected tooth, and you're gonna get relieved. Or you can use the powdered grounded cloves. Yeah, you can mix it with olive oil and make a paste out of it and apply directly on the affected tooth, and you'll be relieved of the toothache. So cloves are actually like very, 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 very beneficial to health. They are very medicinal, and they have like very unique flavor, and you know, they are really nice if you add it to your meals. And yeah, so yeah guys, I did the same to all the braids I had, unravel all of them, sprayed my hair with the cloves water, massage properly, and put all of them in twist. Yeah, so yeah, that's it guys. That is what I wanted to share with you all. You should give this a try. You should really give this a try if you are, you know, struggling with dandruff, with scanty hair, with stunted growth, and all of those things. You should give this a try. It's really gonna help you. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video this far. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Also click the notification bell guys, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified and you'll come and watch my video. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'm gonna see you in my next one.